In this lecture, we will discuss some more example on region. Determine the region in the complex plane, also known as argand plane, defined by z minus a by z plus conjugate of a, which is less than 1 equal to greater than 1. There are three conditions: 1 when less than 1, when equal to 1, when greater than 1. I am writing in the same. Provided real part of a is positive. Answer: we have z minus a, z plus a conjugate less than equal to greater than 1. Using properties of modulus, then you cross multiplying, I will get this one: z minus a less than equal to greater than mod z plus a conjugate. Sparing both sides, we get this one: z minus a whole square less than equal to greater than modulus of z plus a conjugate whole square. Again, using the properties of modulus, that is modulus of z square is equal to my z conjugate. So using this property, we will get z minus a z conjugate minus a conjugate less than equal to z plus a conjugate, z conjugate plus a conjugate of conjugate will give the number a back. We have already discussed this property in the conjugate and modulus. Now expand these two terms, we will get here, this is z conjugate, then minus a z conjugate minus a conjugate z plus a conjugate less than equal to greater than. Now expand this, I am writing here, this is z conjugate plus a conjugate z conjugate plus z plus az plus a conjugate. Conjugate will be cancelled out, z conjugate will be cancelled out. In the next step, I am bringing all the term to left hand side, then bring this term to right hand side. You will get take a common from this term and this term. Take a common. First bring this term to right hand side, then take a common. This is a z plus z conjugate. Then again bring this term to right hand side and take a conjugate common. A conjugate, this will be z plus z conjugate, and it is less than equal to greater than 0. Now 0, it is 0. If I bring all this term to right hand side, this will be this one. Then take common z conjugate, z plus z conjugate. Then I will, within bracket, I will have a plus a conjugate less than equal to greater than 0. This will be twice real part of z, twice real part of a greater than equal to less than 0. less than equal to greater than 0. In the next step, we have this 2 is constant, non-zero constant. 2 cancel out. We will left with real part of z and real part of a equal to 0. This implies real part of z, real part of a less than equal to greater than 0. As real part of a is always positive, so we get real part of z is less than equal to greater than 0. If it is less than, real part of z is less than 0, then in the argand plane, real part of z is less than 0. This left portion of the argand plane. If it is equal to 0, real part is equal to 0, then it is imaginary axis, and if it is greater than 0, then it is right half. So therefore the required region is the left half of argand plane or imaginary axis. When it is equal to 0, real part is equal to 0, then it is imaginary axis, or the right half. If it is real part is greater than 0, then it is right half of the argand plane. With that, I would like to conclude. Remaining will be in the next lecture. Thank you.